What it do, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Mimivic, aka Mukbang Mimivic, aka Mimi Eats. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Happy New Year's guys. It's 2021, new year, new me. This video is dedicated to my boy Nolan, because my boy Nolan used to work at the place that I'm trying today. This is none other than, can you guys see that? You guys definitely can't. You guys read that for me. You guys read that for me. What does that say? Right there. Jimmy J's. We're trying out Jimmy J's breakfast today. So, my boy Nolan used to work at Jimmy J's. My friend Nolan, we met in plumbing school. Nolan's a G. He's still doing plumbing. I dropped out. I'm a plumbing dropout. I'm a full-time YouTuber. I got the garden veggie omelet and some blueberry pancakes with hash browns. And I think it comes with, I think it comes with eggs, but I'm getting omelet. Oh shoot. Check that out. That is not bad at all. That blueberry pancake, boy. And that veggie omelet not looking bad either. Alright boys, let's try this blueberry pancake out from Jimmy J's. Jimmy J's first taste test review. Let's do this. We got that maple syrup. I'm gonna pour some maple syrup. Where is that? Come on now. Come on now. I know you guys want some. Jimmy J's blueberry pancake. First taste test. Take the first bite. That's delicious. That's delicious. Jimmy J's blueberry pancake, so smooth, not overly rich. I feel like compared to like Denny's or something like that, I would rather take this one because it's like light and fluffy. Denny's to me is a little bit sweet. Like this could be a homemade recipe. I'd believe it. I don't think it's a box mix. I wouldn't be surprised if it was though. It tastes so good. Light, fluffy, not too sweet. This is probably one of my favorite pancakes because I could probably eat like 3 or 4 of these and feel good about myself and not feel sick. You guys want a bite? Look at that. Look at that. It's amazing. I'll take a big piece for you guys, and I'll just fold it. I'll fold it in half here. Oh, not playing fair. Yummy. Awesome. You can see how light and fluffy that is. You can see that. Super thick, super light, super fluffy. It's awesome. That's awesome. The maple syrup is delicious too, not too sweet. It comes with one this is the one napkin. It comes with a cutlery. 3, 2, oh. Look at that. Look at that, boy. So we got hash brown right here. Beautiful golden hash brown. I'll say that's beautiful golden hash brown. Like that's the perfect hash brown I've ever seen. A hash brown perfectly made in my life. Then we got a veggie omelet here. This is veggie garden omelet. You guys can see jalapenos, red onions, mushroom, cheese, tomatoes, and egg. I think there's bell pepper in there too. Let's get into this. First taste test of the garden veggie Jimmy J's omelet. First bite. Okay. Damn. We get a big old bite here, no? We get a big old bite. Look at that. Mmm. 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 That's a girl man bite right there. Some of that golden hash. Mmm. Mm-hmm. I'm not capping here, boys. I'm not capping. Oh, I'm making a mess though. Mmm. Wow. This is awesome. This just made my day. All I've eaten today, guys. Good. It has black olives. This is awesome. Mmm. Look at that. Mmm. Mm. Kudos to these guys. This is awesome. Like, I'm already getting full, and that's beautiful. Let me try a bit more of that omelet. You guys get a good look at that. You guys get a good look at that. What do we got in there? What do we got in there? We got egg, jalapeno, black olives, mushroom, green pepper, tomato. That cheese is beautiful. Melted beautifully. Look at this. Look at this. Oh man. Oh man. Don't do it to him. Uh-oh. 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 Look at that. Boy, look at that. It's like I'm eating nachos for breakfast. Are you kidding me? Okay. Wow. This camera is blessing me. It'll make me look low-key good. This is my favorite drink, and this is the drink that's gonna save me, because I'm low-key getting full. I don't know if I can push through this, but thank God for this. This is Sprite no ice. Oh my gosh, I love Sprite. Sprite no ice. Now, thanks to that Sprite no ice, we can just call it Sprite, I guess. We can finish this. I'm gonna save this for like 5 minutes later. Thank God for this. This Sprite is saving my life right now. You know, ginger ale, Sprite, it's been there when I have upset stomachs. It's been there when I've drank too much. Ginger ale and Sprite have always been there for me. So cheers to ginger ale and Sprite. I think Jimmy J's is an extremely delicious place to eat. I don't know. I think it's delicious. I think it's, if you're hungry, Jimmy J's is amazing. If you're hungry and you need something to eat, if you got an empty stomach, go to Jimmy J's. They're gonna do you right, man. They got some delicious food. Tastes great. It'll fill you up. It'll be awesome. Yeah, big shout out to everybody. We're almost at 60 subscribers. Thank you everybody who's watching. Thank you everybody who comments every video and likes. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to my subscribers. Shout out to the boys. Shout out to my friends. You guys are holding me down. Thank you. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. Until next time, this is your boy Mimivic. Stay blessed. Just, I don't know. Drink Sprite.